Welcome to our AppSumo lifetime deal. Thanks for taking a look at our autoblogging platform. Now we can open the post scheduler. With this tool, you can schedule up to 100 posts at once that get published directly on your WordPress blog. For example, if you run a travel blog, you can enter the names of cities to schedule a blog post for each one. You can choose from one of over 35 languages, including Chinese and Arabic. Once you selected your language, you can schedule your content from instant creation up to one post every week. You can connect an unlimited amount of websites to our tool. Simply select the one you want to schedule the content for and proceed. Finally, you can turn on the auto-linking, which, if enabled, lets our scraper collect all your existing articles to mention and link relevant ones in your newly created articles. This is great for SEO and will help to rank your website in the top search results. In the sidebar on the right, you can see your scheduled blog posts, including the date on which they are set to be released. With our platform, you can also do keyword research. To do so, we have to navigate to the keyword research tool. Here you can enter a general topic or niche and receive a list of up to 150 keywords, including search volume, CPC, and keyword difficulty, depending on the competing sites which are ranking for this term on Google. Please note that you only have a limited amount of free articles and keyword searches during the free trial.